To get a detailed list of any time anyone's accessed one of the doors or computers in your Allthenticate admin portal, you can go to the log section here. This will show you a detailed list of any time anyone received access to a door or computer in your system. Here we're allowed to select a specific time range, so we'll select last week. And now it shows us all the logs from last week. And here we're able to narrow it down even further by employee. So we'll see times that I was accessing doors and computers in the system. Now we can narrow it down even further by door. So we'll see about the front door upstairs. And now it only shows us the ones from last week that I accessed in the front door upstairs. And here we have even more categories and groups to narrow it down even further if you're looking for something very specific, or you can make it as broad as you'd like.